So I created this agenda, and it's kind of based on some other workshops that I've given. Um, but when you're in a group, sometimes what you want to do is make sure that everyone has an opportunity to create agenda items. So what we do in our climate coalition is we send out a draft agenda several days in advance, and sometimes we send it out. It's just like the facilitator gets busy and the agenda gets sent out, right before the meeting. I recommend having a few days in advance where people can contribute their own agenda items that they want to bring up in the meeting. And I'd say another one of the facilitator responsibilities is to check the previous meeting's notes or any open agenda items and directly add those to the agenda before sending this out. Basically, just give everyone an opportunity to add their own agenda items. And then also creating a structure like with the regenerative project incubator on earth regenerators, where it's like you have intros, you have a grounding moment, or in our climate coalition we have intros and a land acknowledgement, old business, new business. So your organization is going to create some kind of structure for their meetings, but in consensus driven groups it's really important that it's not just the facilitator or the group who's creating the agenda. um, let's see, we have a question. How do you share an agenda? This was a private message. Right. So I do agendas in Google Docs, especially during the Zoom era. Sometimes we have a project folder that includes all the meeting agendas, and you can see that it includes the link to the Zoom meeting in this case, and then the agenda. But if I were sending it out in advance, I might go like this, something like that, just to encourage people to add and let them know that they can add their own agenda items.